Hello folks, this is Aitan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com, and recently the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 received a MIUI update. And normally I wasn't doing these MIUI update videos, but this MIUI update screwed this phone over really badly. It is the MIUI 8.2.5 stable update for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, and the issues that I have seen with this update are really long. And let's delve into the whole list and get to know how bad this phone has become. So the first issue that we faced was that the smartphone is restarting by itself, getting switched off, and this is an issue that I have seen only after the MIUI 8.2.5 update and not before this. And the phone has become kind of unstable. Applications are force closing every 4 hours on Facebook or on Instagram or on any other social application where you have to scroll. It force closes automatically. It shows you that unfortunately Facebook has stopped, unfortunately this application has stopped, and after some time or other the device shuts down and the stability of the phone has been drastically reduced. Now the MIUI 8.2.5 update rolled out to us on 17th May, and a lot of other people might be receiving this update now. Some have already received it. For all of those people who are yet to install this update, one word of caution: please don't install this update. Just skip this one already. If you have installed this update, the next possible best step to get rid of all of these issues can be that you can install the beta version of the latest ROM from en.miui.com, which might fix these issues, but I'm not yet sure as we haven't tested this on this device, as downgrading back to a stable ROM might be an issue for us. So we are yet to test the beta version on this one, but I guess the issues won't be as pronounced as on the MIUI 8.2.5. So here's a list of all of the screenshots of the issues that we faced, and if you guys are facing any issues regarding MIUI 8.2.5 update, do let us know in the comments below, and we will try to reach out to a Xiaomi spokesperson who works for the software department in MIUI team and try to get all of these fixed for you. And apart from all of these issues, one another thing that I faced was that the user interface became quite laggy after the MIUI update, and you can see for yourself that all of these things which showed up at different points of the day when applications weren't responding and several other issues were happening, and it's all in front of you. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos like this. This is Aitan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com. Signing off folks, stay inspired to rise.